What's up YouTube? So today's project is replacing the fuel filter on my Grand Cherokee. Now this only applies to the ZJ model years 93 through 96. For model years 97 and 98, the fuel filter is a part of the fuel pump module, which is located inside the gas tank. A clogged fuel filter can cause an engine to stumble or hesitate during acceleration. An extremely clogged fuel filter can even cause hard starting. I suggest you get some latex gloves for this job. Gasoline is carcinogenic and you do not want it getting all over your hands. You'll need a towel or old rags to soak up any spilled fuel. You'll need a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. Safety glasses. Wear them. And don't forget the new filter. I ordered this online and it cost me $11 ship. The proper fuel pressure relief procedure starts with removing the gas cap to relieve any built-up pressure inside the tank. Then pop the hood and remove the cover from the power distribution center. We need to remove the fuel pump relay, and the cover should have a diagram with this location, but if not, it's a good thing you're watching this video. Then start the engine, turn the key to the off position, reinstall the fuel pump relay, and disconnect the negative battery cable. The fuel filter is attached to the chassis located between the rear driver's side tire and differential. Here's the fuel filter's location in relation to the rear differential. To remove this screw, you'll need a 10mm socket. In order to remove the fuel line from the filter, you have to push these two tabs in towards each other while pulling the lines off. The same goes for the opposite side. It's also important to note that the arrow on the fuel filter should be facing towards the engine. The side that's marked in faces the gas tank. The side that's marked out faces the engine. Installation is reversive removal. You should hear the line snap in place when you've installed it correctly. Clean the lines off, put your gas cap back on, and reconnect your battery. You'll need to repressurize the fuel system by turning your key from the off position to the accessory position just before start. This is called cycling your key, and you want to do this about 3 times before you start the Jeep. My first time replacing the fuel filter on this Jeep, the fuel that came out the filter was black. So I tend to replace the fuel filter on my Jeep once a year because it lessens the chance of fuel delivery issues and it helps ensure smooth operation. So until next time, y'all stay tuned.